Hello guys, so in this video I'll show you how to connect a Mikrotik to the system. So there are a few steps you need to go through and they are very simple actually. So the first thing, you need to come to the domain that you want, so you can select any of the domains that you have. You click on these three buttons and then under edit you'll see the button written add gateway. So you click on it and you'll see these options. So for a shorter video, let me just show you the same options, but then on an already configured gateway. So let me just show you. Yeah, so you can see these are exactly the same, but this gateway has already been configured and has all the settings. So the most important settings that you need to put, you put the name of the gateway that you want, you put the city and the country, you add the hardware. So there are two options for Mikrotik. You can put the Mikrotik without a flash folder and the Mikrotik with a flash folder. So in this example, I'm using a Mikrotik without a flash folder. So something like the RB941, the RB951, they don't have flash folders, and then it's also version 6. So here you don't actually need to put all this. If you only know it's a version 6, you can leave it like this. So the next thing you need to come and do is you come to fields for configuring gateway. So this is basically the basic settings for any router. But the system is simplified, so you input everything here. Once you're done, you can come here and download the configuration files, and then the config file will set up everything for you automatically. So what you do is you come to the wireless, you name your gateway. So for this test, let me change this so you can see if it works. So here you put let me put Nimbus. So here's the name. So after you configure, the SSID should have changed from T gateway to Nimbus. So the next thing, you come, the radius has already been set, the DHCP, this is how it looks, but then the DHCP that you'll click on yes to let the Mikrotik automatically get an IP from the main router or wherever you're getting your internet from. So you click yes for DHCP client, and then you go to user interfaces, and then here you're supposed to put the domain, which should be na0.nimbus.co.ke, and our SSL certificate. So the bridge settings, if you want to connect let's say an access point to your Mikrotik, you would have to select which Ethernet you want to bridge so that you can expand the network. So here is where you'll select. If your router has up to 12 ports, you can put all 12 ports like so. So the next thing is you come to user network and you copy all these. This is just, you can have any IP. If you know how to do this, you can have you can set any IP. Even you can start with 192.168 here, which is okay. And you can also put a network. If you're using if you expect a really massive amount of people, you can change this subnet to that, which is 255.0.0, which can accommodate up to, I think, around 60,000 users, which is a lot. And I don't expect people to have when you're starting out, I don't expect you to have a network that big. So that's just for your information. And then you put the DNS, which is Google's DNS, and then you can put the DHCP pool for whoever connects to your Wi-Fi. So ours is starting from 299, so these are about 97 users. These are 97 users. So the next thing is no, actually you're done. So from there Here you can reboot the gateway if you think there's something up, or if there are connection issues. You can come select here and then click yes, and it will reboot the gateway after about 5 minutes. Yes, about 5 minutes. So here there's another option to authenticate via MAC address, and I don't think we would need this, so let me switch this off, and then we're done for this setup. So let me save and then download the gateway configuration files. It's taking a while. I think it's because the gateway is active. Actually, it's in use, but then okay. So you come here, you click download gateway configuration files. You'll see this option and click OK. So you can start the download. Let me open the folder. So it's a zip file that gets downloaded, and I'm extracting the zip file right now. So you can see. So extract. And these are the two files that you actually require. So let's hop on to the router. Connect. So you can see this one is already set up. So let me just show you how you can do this. So what you do is you log into your Mikrotik and you come to terminal. So I'll send you, I'll put the reset code and the configuration code on the description, so you can just copy paste. So here, first you need to reset your current setup for the Mikrotik. So you come and copy the reset code, which is that. Click yes, and then reset the router. So let's wait for it to come back online, and then I can show you the next few steps. So you connect to your router, and then you come to files. So let me show you that these are the previous files that I had already imported. So let me delete them. So you can see the router has not been set. It's completely, it has no settings. Everything is just bare. So what you do, you come to this folder that we just decompressed, and then you select these two files and you drag them here. So after it's done uploading, you come back to terminal and you put in the configuration code, which I'm copying right now. So there it is, and you click on enter. So when you get this this return code, obviously now you know that the script is loaded and is now working. So let me show you. Let's see if the Wi-Fi is also. You can see here's Nimbus. Here's the Wi-Fi. So let's see if everything is set. Yeah, you can see everything is set. Here's the local IP that we configured on the page on the portal, and you can see also the DHCP server range is what we put on the portal. So that's how to do it, and that's all you need to do. Remember, you have a free month when you for your first when you come to us. We'll give you a free first month, so don't forget, and like and subscribe.